Assalamualaikum. In the previous video we were discussing how we can share documents using Google Drive, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can join a shared document and how we can edit Google Sheets in our phones. So for this we are going to need three applications: Google Sheets, Gmail and Drive. Make sure you are signed in into all of the three applications. We'll start with Gmail. We will click on Gmail, and as you can see I have received an email over here, invitation to edit. I'm just going to click on open in Sheets. So this the document will be opened in Google Sheets. I'm going to start editing. If you're the class teacher, you will have to fill this thing also. I will add the class 6. I will add teacher name, class teacher name. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the timetable and start first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by filling in the dates. For example, it's week 5 of July, so I will fill the day of Monday, from Monday to Friday, 27th. For example, it is 27th 07, and whenever the Friday weeks end, I'm going to write that date. For now I'm skipping it just. Then I will start entering the student's name of my class. For example, Abiha, Ashraf, Amna, Rubed, and so on. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the timetable and start filling over here. As you can see, I've filled the first column with English, Maths and SST, and Tuesday the first period, for example, is of Sindhi, second is of Sindhi, second is of, for example, Tafsir. So I'm going to fill it like this. The next thing that we're going to do is all the teachers, individual teachers, are going to just fill the attendance of their own classes. For example, if I'm the English teacher, I'm going to start by filling the attendance. I'm just going to write P. Where the student is absent, I'm not going to mark him her absent with A. I'm just going to fill in with the P's. For example, all three were present in my class, and for example in Maths only one student was present, so the teacher put the attendance. In SST 2 were present, so teacher filled the attendance. And below we can see the total attendance, in which period how many students were present. So like this we can easily fill in the attendance class wise. All the teachers will fill in the attendance, which is quite easy. And for the next time when we are going to for this we will save by clicking the tick over here, and we can go back. For the next time, what we can do, we can go in our Sheets application, and we can see all the application, all the shared files, the shared files also, and the one we own also, all will come here. We can simply click on class 6 attendance and start marking the attendance. Or what we can do, we can go in the Google Drive application, and here we have the option of share. We can go on share and click over here, or on the home we can see the recent documents that are shared with us or that we have edited. So we can click on from here also. It will open in Google Sheets and we can edit it. I hope this was clear. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Jazakallah.